Hi, I'm Chloe. In this video, you'll find easy to follow instructions for assembling the Matrix Advanced Office Chair by Pago. So let's get started. Included in the box are seat, back attached to Posture Sure 3-lever mechanism, gas lifter and cover, 5-star base, 5 casters, 4 screws and 4 washers, 1 Allen key. To start, flip the 5-star base upside down and insert the casters into the holes, pushing down firmly until they click. Turn the base upright and place the gas lifter in the center of the base, then insert base covers over the gas lifter. Next, attach the Posture Sure 3-lever mechanism to the seat base loosely with the 4 screws and washers. Use the Allen key provided and not a screwdriver to avoid damaging the threads. Once the 4 bolts are inserted, you can firmly tighten. Now, place the seat base and Posture Sure 3-lever mechanism onto the gas lifter. And there you have it, the Matrix Advanced Ergonomic Office Chair by Pago. Thanks for watching and congratulations on a great new addition to your office.